Hello, Ed here. I'm back at the bench. It's too cold to be out in the garage today. But I thought I'd show you a little update on the Back to the Future time train that I've been working on for so long. And without further ado, let's get down to it. Alright, pardon the floaties, everybody. Ugh. Grunchy. Alrighty, right. I've got the push rods on. The driver rods, I should say, both sides. Okay. And now, I think we're down to the last sheet of cutouts. These that I've got over here, hang on. We're gonna do some whoopty fun stuff. Alright, let's get these out in the light here. Okay. Now these on the outside are already cut out except for this one. It's in the process. I mean, on the outsides. But anyway, what those are, they're these. Got 6 of them hiding in here, I think. Yep, got 6 of them. A little touch up with the Sharpie marker here. Alright, back around we go. Hang on. I'll show you what those are. And most of these other fun things. Oh, these are one of the 2 capacitor banks for right up here on, I guess you'd call it a sponson over the drive wheels. Got one on either side. And all the final little details hiding in here. Just to finish up, these, and I believe some of these pipings here are all part of the same unit. And these go on one of the steam domes on the train. It'll show me where all the little parts go. But I'm down to these. Almost ready for the final on it. Getting close, guys. It's been tedious. And yes, it's all cardstock. And next up, I'm not sure if I'll take a little break and do the Oh, do the Buzz Aldrin figure on the moon. Now, it has been my great pleasure a long time ago to actually meet James Irwin, who got to stand on that himself. Oh. That was way back when I was in high school. And then, of course, I do have the Monster Gundam over here hiding. You can just barely see it peeking out from behind the desk there. But I need to finish this one up, get it out off of my bench. So I can add it to so many great finished projects that I have around here. One of these days I'll make myself a model room and start displaying these things right. But in the meantime, we'll finish these up and finish this thing up. Man, that's been intricate. But now we're down to the last few gimlets on it. As usual, I do want to thank everybody for their patience with me. I'm slowly getting back into the swing of things. And want to thank you for liking and commenting and watching and creating all that wonderful content that you do. Keeps my downtime a little busy. Excuse me, got the hiccups here. But do want to thank you again for watching, and have yourselves a wonderful day.